The market calls, it whispers of opportunity, fortunes to be made, dreams to be realized. It's alluring, this world of trading. You see the charts, the numbers, the potential to turn a small amount into something life-changing. But let's be real. Trading isn't a get-rich-quick scheme. It's a journey, a roller coaster ride with highs and lows. It tests your grit, your discipline, your very understanding of how markets move. Many dive in headfirst, lured by promises of easy riches. They chase hot tips, ignore risk, and burn through their capital faster than you can say margin call. Don't be that trader. You're smarter than that. You're here because you want to learn, to build a solid foundation for trading success. So, buckle up. We're about to embark on a journey into the exciting, challenging, and ultimately rewarding world of trading. Trading can feel like navigating a maze blindfolded. Charts, indicators, news flow. It can be overwhelming, especially for beginners. The key is to approach trading with a beginner's mind, open, eager to learn, and unafraid to ask questions. There's no magic formula, no one-size-fits-all approach to trading. What works for one trader might not work for another. This journey is about more than just making money. It's about self-discovery, about pushing your limits, and about mastering a skill that can bring you financial freedom and independence. So, let's ditch the hype, the get-rich-quick mentality, and the fear of failure. Are you ready? Let's go. You wouldn't build a house without a blueprint. The same goes for trading. Before you even think about placing a trade, you need a solid foundation of knowledge. This isn't about memorizing complex formulas or understanding every financial term. It's about grasping the basic principles of how markets work. Start with the essentials. What are stocks, bonds, and options? How do these instruments behave in different market conditions? What factors influence price movements? Don't worry about becoming an expert overnight. Trading is a continuous learning process. The key is to start with the basics and build upon your knowledge gradually. So, embrace the learning process. It's an investment in your future success. The good news is there's a wealth of information available to aspiring traders. The challenge is sifting through it all and finding resources that resonate with your learning style. Some traders prefer books and articles, while others thrive in interactive courses and webinars. Explore different trading blogs, podcasts, and online forums. Follow experienced traders on social media and pay attention to their insights. One valuable resource for beginners is a good trading simulator or demo account. These platforms allow you to practice trading with virtual money, giving you a risk-free environment to test your strategies. Think of it like learning to drive. Before you hit the open road, you practice in a safe environment. Use these resources to your advantage and build your confidence before risking real capital. Finding your trading tribe. The power of community. Trading can be a solitary endeavor, but it doesn't have to be. Surrounding yourself with like-minded individuals can provide invaluable support, motivation, and accountability. Look for online communities, trading groups, or local meetups where you can connect with fellow traders. Engage in discussions, ask questions, and share your experiences. Learning from others' perspectives can broaden your understanding and help you identify blind spots in your own trading. Don't underestimate the power of community. Having a support system can make all the difference, especially during challenging times. Join our Telegram community to connect with fellow traders. The link is in the description box. The art of not losing. Risk management Sunscore 1. You've probably heard the saying, it's not about how much you make, but how much you keep. Nowhere is this truer than in trading. Risk management is the cornerstone of successful trading. It's about protecting your capital so you can live to trade another day. Many new traders get caught up in the excitement of chasing profits and forget this fundamental principle. Effective risk management is about setting rules and sticking to them no matter what. It's about understanding that every trade has the potential for both profit and loss and being prepared for either outcome. The key is to limit your losses on the losing trades and let your winners ride. Develop a risk management plan that works for you and, most importantly, that you can actually follow. The 1% rule, your shield against wipeout. One simple but effective risk management technique is the 1% rule. This rule dictates that you never risk more than 1% of your total trading capital on a single trade. This approach offers significant protection against catastrophic losses, especially in the early stages of your trading journey. Let's say you have a $10,000 trading account. Following the 1% rule, you would risk no more than $100 on any given trade. This means that even if you encounter a string of losing trades, your account balance will remain relatively stable. Remember, it's a marathon, not a sprint. Slow and steady wins the race. By preserving your capital and managing your risk, you give yourself the opportunity to stay in the game long enough to develop your skills and achieve your trading goals. Knowing your exit. Cutting losses and letting profits run. Risk management is about knowing when to get out of a trade, both on the upside and the downside. Set stop loss orders and profit targets before entering a trade. A stop loss order limits your losses if the market moves against you. A profit target locks in profits when the market moves in your favor. Predefined exit points remove emotions and help you stick to your plan. Cutting losses short is hard but essential to preserve capital. Let your profits run for long-term success in trading. The mind of a trader. Mastering your emotions. Trading is as much a mental game as it is a financial one. You can have the best trading system in the world, but if your emotions are controlling your decisions, you're doomed to fail. Fear, greed, impatience. These are the enemies of a successful trader. Fear can paralyze you, preventing you from taking calculated risks when opportunities arise. Greed can lead you to over-leverage and chase unrealistic profits, ultimately resulting in devastating losses. Impatience can cause you to jump into trades without proper analysis or exit prematurely, missing out on potential gains. Mastering your emotions is an ongoing process. It's about developing self-awareness and recognizing how your emotions influence your trading decisions. One effective technique is to keep a trading journal. After each trade, note your emotional state, the rationale behind your decision, and the outcome. By reviewing your trading journal regularly, you can identify patterns in your behavior and pinpoint areas where your emotions may be clouding your judgment. That slow and steady, realistic goals in a hyper-speed world. In the age of instant gratification, it's easy to get caught up in the allure of overnight riches. You see stories of traders turning a few $1,000s into millions and think, why not me? While these stories can be inspiring, they can also be incredibly misleading. The truth is, building a successful trading career takes time, dedication, and a healthy dose of realism. Setting unrealistic goals, like doubling your account every month, is a recipe for disappointment and burnout. Instead of focusing on quick wins, shift your mindset towards consistent growth and long-term profitability. Set small, achievable goals that align with your trading plan and risk tolerance. Celebrate your successes. Learn from your mistakes and focus on making incremental progress over time. Slow and steady wins the race. The power of patience. It's a marathon, not a sprint. Patience is not just a virtue in trading, it's a necessity. In a world obsessed with instant gratification, it can be challenging to embrace the slow and steady approach required for long-term success in the markets. However, patience is what separates the consistently profitable traders from the rest. Patience is about waiting for the right opportunities to present themselves, rather than chasing every hot tip or jumping into trades out of boredom or FOMO. It's about trusting your analysis, sticking to your trading plan, and letting your profits run, even when it feels uncomfortable. It's also about accepting that losses are an inevitable part of trading. Instead of letting losses derail you, view them as opportunities for learning and growth. Patience is not about inaction. It's about disciplined action taken at the right time. The key is to stay patient, stay disciplined, and never stop learning. Your trading blueprint. Why you need a plan. Imagine building a house without a blueprint. Chaos, right? That's what trading without a plan is like. Pure improvisation with potentially disastrous results. Your trading plan is your roadmap to success, outlining your strategy and risk management. It provides structure and discipline, helping you make rational decisions. Remember, your trading plan isn't set in stone. Refine it as you gain experience. The Diary of a Trader. Journaling your way to success. Have you ever made a trading mistake only to repeat it again? We've all been there. That's where the power of journaling comes in. A trading journal is more than just a record of your trades. It's a tool for self-reflection and improvement. After each trade, jot down the details and your rationale. Analyze your emotional state. Review your journal regularly to identify patterns and improve. Don't forget to check out our store for amazing products tagged in this video. There are also other incredible items you can buy from us to enhance your trading journey. The long game. Persistence and evolution in trading. We've covered a lot of ground together, from the fundamentals of trading to risk management and planning. But the real journey starts now. The market is a relentless teacher. It will test your resolve and adaptability. There will be times when you question everything. That's when you dig deep. Remember why you started this journey. Trading isn't about getting rich quick. It's about taking control of your financial future. Embrace the ups and downs as part of the process. Learn from your mistakes. They are invaluable lessons. Analyze your losses, refine your strategy, and come back stronger. Even the most successful traders have faced setbacks. What sets them apart is their persistence and ability to adapt. Never stop learning. Your journey to mastery. The learning never stops in trading. The market is constantly evolving, presenting new challenges and opportunities. What worked yesterday might not work tomorrow. That's why it's crucial to cultivate a mindset of continuous learning and improvement. Stay curious, explore new trading strategies, read books, attend webinars, and connect with other traders. The more you learn, the more you realize how much more there is to know. Don't be afraid to challenge your assumptions and refine your approach as you gain experience. Remember, trading is a journey, not a destination. Enjoy the process, embrace the challenges, and never stop learning. The more you put into it, the more you'll get out of it. So, stay focused, stay disciplined, and never give up on your dreams of trading success. The markets await, and the opportunities are limitless.